Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify image size limits in HubSpot marketing emails step by step clearly. To verify image size limits in HubSpot marketing emails, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Once logged in, navigate to the Marketing tab located in the top navigation menu. From the drop-down, select Email to access the Email Management section. Click on the Create Email button to start a new email draft. In the email editor, select the image module from the sidebar menu. Drag the image module into the email layout where you want the image to appear. Upload an image from your computer or select one from your HubSpot file manager. After selecting the image, pay attention to the file size displayed during the upload process. HubSpot typically has a maximum image upload limit, which is usually around 1 MB for marketing emails. If the image exceeds this limit, you will receive a notification indicating the size issue. For images that are too large, consider resizing them using an image editing tool before re-uploading. Ensure that the dimensions also meet best practices for email images, ideally keeping them under 600 pixels in width. Once your image is within size limits, proceed to finalize your email content. Preview your email to ensure the image appears correctly and maintains the intended quality. Finally, test your email by sending it to yourself before the final distribution. This process ensures that your images comply with HubSpot's size requirements, optimizing your marketing emails for better performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.